So y'all supposed to like this video if y'all like Mariah Carey, because I am jamming right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So I hope you get to stick around after this video, because I mean, I'm trying to reach my goal here. I'm trying to reach 2K, so there's a reason why, and I'll be telling y'all a little bit about that in a little while. But besides that, what you came here for was for the AOA sponge. So I did review the AOA lashes. I do have them on today. I do have the style Jean, and let me tell you, I was trying Elite today, and goddamn, let me just tell you, it was a pain in the butt trying to pop those lashes on, girl. Like, those were stiff. Like, when I mean stiff, they were stiff. Like, they was just straight. I was like, no. So Jean so far are my favorite ones. They're a little bit easier to apply, but I think I must just stick around with the regular AOA lashes. But besides that, I'll go ahead and leave that link, that video link, in the description box below. But for today, we are doing the microfiber sponge. Now, I have been trying this microfiber sponge for 4 days already straight since I got it. And there's some good tea behind this little sponge right here. I do own a whole bunch of the AOA pop-up blenders, because every time I go to a Shop Miss A store or place an order on Shop Miss A, I always get between 4 or 5. This next trip that I'm gonna go, I'll either go through either this weekend that's coming up or the 9th of March. My trip was pulled up to the front, so I'll be doing a Shop Miss A haul soon, another one soon for y'all, FYI. But anywho, this is a sponge right here. I believe it retails for $1.55. My god, I had to scroll. Okay, yeah, this retails for $1.55. Duh. I don't know, I did not check that one. I did receive a comment of somebody asking me about the A+ Charity Mochi Wonder Blender. I'll be picking that one up for my trip. So right now we are reviewing the Papa Microfiber Blender. Now, let me just tell you, I'm not a fan of microfiber blenders, because just the feeling of it is just like so furry and soft. It feels like suede, and it's just like, once I feel it on my fingers, it feels so weird, but you get used to the feeling. Yeah, I've been trying this little microfiber blender for 4 days. 4 days already, and I have some great tea behind it. So this is the first time I do try a microfiber blender, and let me go ahead and zoom y'all in. Here it is, right here. Oh, there you go. This is what I was looking for. Can y'all see that little rip thing? This is the 4th time. I wash it every time. Please excuse my nails, they look bad today. But yeah, this is the 4th time I used it. I only washed it 3 times. I have to wash it every single day, and I'll tell you why right now. But yeah, it already ripped right here, and the butt, as y'all can see, the fibers are totally gone. And there's y'all can see all the little fibers right here. Let me go ahead and turn down my light. Okay, better. Y'all can see where the little fibers are gone right here. Y'all can see where it's like only right here, and y'all can see like barely some right here, and y'all can notice the difference right here, because you see all the little fibers. That's how it looks like, but right here it's like totally gone, which it's nuts, because you have all the fibers right here, and mostly, you know, you apply your foundation with the butt. Now you can see right here clearly where all the little microfibers are gone, and clearly you can see all the little fibers right here that are still there, and they're like coming off and stuff, which is nuts, because I seen someone that said they show you how to wash it. But I mean, this little type of sponge, you have to wash it every day. As y'all can see, you can see all the concealer, all the powder, and all the foundation on the little butt. So for me, I don't want to be using the you know, the sponge, because oh my god, let me just tell you, it is an amazing sponge, because I only use 1 pump of my Maybelline Superstay foundation. Usually I use 3 pumps, 2 for my face and 1 to blend it down my neck, because sometimes it decides to oxidize and then it just decides not to oxidize. So there's those days that you have that bad foundation stuff, and since it's a full coverage foundation, I always like to bring it down my neck. So anywho, I do use 2 pumps for my face. Now using the sponge, I only use 1 pump for my whole face. So does it help? Yes, it does help. It applies it like if I was applying it with a brush, but after so many, you know, washes, this is the 4th time using it, the fibers are gone. And I need, if somebody can tell me how the heck to wash this little thing, let me know, because maybe it's just that, but so many people have been complaining about, you know, the sponge shedding and losing its fibers. I have to try the Juno&Co. Now that I love this one, I really have to try the Juno&Co. Microfiber sponge, because god damn it, I will leave all my sponges just for this little bitty thing. And once I go to my Dallas trip, I think I'm gonna have to pick up at least 5 or 6 of these, between me trying to decide if I'm gonna get the Juno&Co or something like that, because I love this sponge. I love it. And if Shop Miss A can do something about that, I mean, that would be great. But for $1.55, man, that is totally awesome. I wish I could love you bits. I can't, guys. I just can't. I mean, it is an amazing little bitty sponge. It is the most amazing sponge ever. It applies my foundation like a dream. For concealer, I use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and usually I put 3 dots under my eyes, and I only need at least 1 or 2 little dots, and man, like, it does not absorb that much product, which I like. But man, it's just a little microfiber sponge. I mean, the little fibers. Now I know what people meant about, you know, shedding and losing its little fibers and everything. It does grow way bigger than its normal size, but other than that, you do have to wash it, because usually I use my sponge for everything, for applying my foundation, to set my foundation, you know, after a setting spray, I pat everything down like I usually do. So I use my sponge for almost every single thing. So yeah, I don't mind washing it every day. I don't mind that, but it's just losing this little fibers after 3 washes and 4 uses. I'm gonna have to be ordering sponges from Shop Miss A every 2 to 3 weeks just for this, and it's nuts. So I hope Shop Miss A fixes that problem, or maybe it's just the way that I wash it. I'll be picking some more up when on my Dallas trip, and I'll be doing the technique, or I guess where people tell me how to wash it, and do an update. Maybe that will change something. If it does not change something, then there's no update. But other than that, that is my little mini / review. Do I like it? Yes, I love this sponge. I really love it, and it hurts my little heart that it sheds, and I feel like I'm only gonna be able to use the other side of the sponge for the next week or 2 before I go to my Dallas trip. After that, I'm gonna have to throw it away and go get me some more. But other than that, that is pretty much. Is it worth it? It's not worth it, guys. It is worth it for the, like, to apply, yes, but if you're gonna have to be buying sponges like this every 2 to 3 weeks, then it's not worth it. But other than that, let me know how y'all been having luck. Let me know the luck on y'all with this little sponge. Let me know what is the better technique to wash the sponge. Maybe it's that, I don't know. But so far, I do love it, and I don't love it. Like I said, I do love it. It works wonders. I just don't like the little fibers you know, falling off and everything. But other than that, guys, if y'all have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. But this was my little opinion review of the Shop Miss A fiber sponge. And yeah, I'll go ahead and see y'all on the next one, and we'll just see what goes on at the Shop Miss A store. So be tuned for that haul. So be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and hit 2K, people. Come on. Because I really want to get with, and I want to become an affiliate with my best company, the company that's helped me grow, the company that's, it's like my favorite ride or die company. And if you've been following me for a good while, you already know who it is, besides JB Eves, because I'm an affiliate with them. But there's another company, hint hint. So it requires me to have 2K followers, so I hope I hit 2K really quick so I can make my little dream come true this year. Other than that, guys, now I can let y'all go. If y'all stood to the right here to this little part of the end, thank you so much. And thank you so much if you do support me. I appreciate every single one of y'all. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much. Thank you.